Okukiga kwa NRM kwine mu mutano aboke mwe bitukugamba byakozirwe tugambe byakozirwe kandi tongeraho n'ibindi bikwija gukora mu mesho mbwe no kwenda kukifunza no kubagira ngo umyaka 40 hingwire NRM eteiromuga emiganda mushanju anje ya Uganda konka wabana bato batakwetiyeza miganda ninkosi kigambo itafari wano manyoni yankorwa kare ukoso emiganda wabo lyo hati kozesa amatafari erere terari Uganda amatafari mushanju umyaka 40 hingwiri itafari kubanza nere bantu bagambaho eri ubusingi ubu businge bukargo mukwangenda tutwangenda icyo bakweta opportunism twangenda abenda nibakubaganisa abantu mu dini kubaganisa abantu mu nganda kugaya bakazi ibyo nibikuroba abanyanda abakwenda ngo bake babiri bagumaho abanyankora bagira ngo endure ibyo kurya uteranki iyo rutaro utera nyingi mpango mbwe naba abakona benda kurya nibo batakana abantu beje bingi ubwo ndure yabone yo kurya tiyo kuruza kandi ndure yo kuruza urutaro kurwana urutaro rw'embundu no kurwana tarezindi zabanye mbone icyo tashoshora mu nganda shoshora mu dini ndio tubasize gukora ikibina icyugahita Uganda yona unango ko kuzombye dini ugahita Uganda kwa kurema ko kuzombye nganda ugahita Uganda kwa kurema mbone icyo tubasize kubagahita nabo kuba ntugaya ibyo kubaganisha abantu umudini umahanga ibintu bikora abanyanda kungoja kugamba haru binja kubishoboreye abo gaita abantu abana soluti nabare bomba mu trading set abafite kojo nabare
Ferwa aha tayari West
turikuza aha kevu zitu ezo kusinga yo buhango omu Uganda yona kandi kevu zo kumanya nkeza Nyakahondogoro hata hinde no munda twashangamwe ibintu hariho plate hariho baga seforia icyo kumanyisa ngo hariho abantu already abari yo mwanya ogo harimwe ngarabi so icyo kumanyisa ngo yes jamanyisa ngo ishaha yona nihija kubana habaho kwimbisa maybe wabanoza kuzombishenge because ntujja kuzo mu kishenge cyakuriya aho noteka kugenda hori kwanzu zibondo
wanu rasaidi yakunuya arebitari ari empapara tukwe empaprezi no handikaho ebyo rukwenda bakore wataho umwanya ogu tubakwenda mu rwari tuyine kuyomba bakorashi watabona umango atwazo umwanya ugurukwera no wano wasigaza kugambisa umutima gwa kugambira ba Marika abibuyiza kushaba
Weekend Wikendeji aha Tayari West.
Let's go to school, so we never retire. I'll never look my back. My school is a peaceful school. It is not like other schools. My school is Mlembe Junior. I first take this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for helping us come to this day of our graduation ceremony.
Service above self. Wow. Congratulations.
Wikendeji aha Tayari West.
That is the money. I bought my uniforms and I put them on until S4.
Wow.
Of course. But, you know, I was the happiest.
Does mommy get to know you have rejoined?
I write a letter. I had no phone. My mom had no phone at home. So I had to write a letter and wait for people who are coming for prayers. They would come for prayers in Chinatown one week in a month, one Sunday in a month. So I wrote a letter and I sent it to her that I had joined the school.
No way. Try to hold myself.
Yeah. Yes.
Gosh.
So I don't think I've ever been that happy. Like, I was so happy. I couldn't believe that this had happened. Yeah. I didn't know how the future was going to be.
Otaferwa aha Tayari West.
Gundi umweshanga zahandisho abachana bahanga mu ndongo Ejini program Saba Saba.
Of course, come close, don't pause, just whine and cause commotion.
Abachaka zantu bashanga mu ndongo tundikita nabo za stage zo Mulembe tuzemeraho. Omuziki n'oguhirota okwe buli kwa katano shaha inaza chiro ejina ndongo bani.
Ekiri kukurataho aha Tayari West.
Nkashatu akaharo Burunga Kazo Gicyamushanju Noshutu na kashonyi jimeke yabere cyamushanju tinkwishukaje na kinoni gagarikiraho Burembe keriye primary 4 zone zimukugamba mwana tunko nindeba aho mfayiro yanjye ndeba secondary ezakiruhura yonka etene kazo andi amashomero gari yaha amashomero aga primary aga government mukumushanju nana aga private igana nkaga na 5 aga private umuntu wakubona tindi kuriya umurebero hambiri uko ari kwingana uko agomukire nuko akuwire ko tari yashi kandi ko gomukire mbona bakiruhura ukushanga bina amashomero ga private igana nkaga na 5 agana nakabana babagaiga abarukushashura agamashomero ga private nkimayisho bugaiga aga secondary n'umushanga aga private ni 11 so nyowa daraja nkaga na mshanga ndeba primary 7 inazonka ukureba ati shanga na inaza government ntabazeza akatari shuri ya private lyon rikartaro akashomera ka private kakaijari bindi bakano leta bakebwa nduriyonka umurunkore yon akatari shomera ya private bobena baso private no akatari so agama shomera ka private nkimayisho bugeiga uburyumbanza amarwaro nakuninga yaha amarwaro agahere center 3 mwine hele center 4 mwe na hele center 3 zagombora 13 arugombora mwe yonka niyete hele center 3 kandi iyo nayo benente kateka yokta hele center 3 nsia umukayanja sub county abukani yo hatejo nentunguka harabaju rentura y'abantu social infrastructure byone hamwe nentunguka umuganda wo kubanza wa NRM rusinyi rwa kabiri entunguka ngwe naho nutwatanira n'abandi bantu umyaka yankaga turi abeji kwa bahikao aba wana hasra ajat katunje nte n'urutoki jira atkarana harkoras tika churaga utoba nyankuri kugambe kintu totere monte n'urutoki strukwesiga rushite nicyo cyantambira nyowe kuna inguto amashanyarazi manyabiha ubunagura rwakitura kagana mushanga abana kabasigambarira bagenzi banje bari mu dance bazina nabishi kwetoroza umushoko motoroza tere akagira ate nyona abasigaye neje nagura rwakitura rero bashekera abana Museveni agira uko mukishaka akata lyo ntunguka yona kunuye rishera akaruhu tuluka tushatu eduka ya mhinga ya bishuba ne ya buturum buduko bushotwa rishera atari yonguto atari amashanyarazi atari amashanyarazi ukanya nazara wakitura ni kurata ki ubunyatsi so mbona aho twajya abantu abagamba enguto n'amashanyarazi manabiha batagamba habugaiga bahabire twataka kushomesha abantu nyabaramu numurabye ibyentunguka konko bugaiga bwamaka entunguka ne atwene konko bugaiga nubu awonko muntu nubu wa family nubu wa company na government na ine kugira ubugaiga yawe ne parastato so engirejo twajibururo kwiho kandi twaleta makanda kugira ngo ubugaiga abagurisa mwana mugamba twantu bashomeso okutura okutafuruka okukoma emyanya okuzente mbyo twantu bashomeso wayima twayengeramu akokutakorra ndayonka akokutesente musho hata bamwe bahurira engirejo bajihurira namboni nkunda kwereka hari umushejo muri nibengi kukanyo hari una kwatira filmu yo mweta matongo mureba ha filmu abakwatira ingiro ubu
amazina yanjye George Matongo
mwa mtakani tukutegereza watu kereza What is the problem? What is the problem? Atkari bari bageza huko kurwana nena nibyo mbebyo bechati mukahiro hata aba kiruhura mwine korasi betinye kiro muja kurara korasi imbabuza muja kurara korasi murara umakaganyo
amazina yanjye George Matongo owangoma mugongo gutura no gwataka shozi nando kutaha murimo gwanjye ndi muri isa nteze maja kureba nuko itandikira tatakanda gante bafuya talo bo hagwakidana Nairisa zakanya nagura amataka nyuse nazo zankorera ibintu kwenda zashubikiza abana biherize natsuruhu kabanza mu nyankore naje nahindura nk'umwata ngo njungu nukuzahanye nanye nazitunga atizungwe zindisumuti.
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Atumweno go msheja matongo tashomiri umunye cyaro bitu bomurukora atoguwe barukurya ngoma umunda yensi konkengiri bakagiha abanyabushozi kubashimukire kubareka kufuruka kuba tanka kugemura amate tuwente zo kugemura amate bona bakitoye abasembabure abangoma abamasindu bona hata mukato corridor ati mweno gumamhura arungoma kuriyo munda konkato no mugege burizoba nagemura ruta magana mwenda burizoba ebe yamateyansi shilingi magana 8 abukama tene mengi kwa abukama tene mengi burikwezi natase miliyoni 2 umwaka zo miliyoni 250 ayombe kirenje n'ujyumwe amakamarungi yatamusora yashomesa abana atuma hurumwana ugo nagambo rujungu graduate wa university konkar kuriya hare umunda entunguka tunungi munonge nguto tunungi nkeje ya konko bugega buryo ubugega bwatana nentunguka timpa tiyahigura munonga konko bugega buryo kandi hana korasi ari Antonde noshanga korasi ro entungukero konkuburo na buburo umworo ari na korasi hata ukugwejero nokucyara munonga bebembeze bahugiza abantu muri ibindi entunguka nguto kuraye nkaza kugura kisozo umwanya nkabanye no munyabuzare wanje yanyoreka kanyaho hena sembaburi akanya kati ntaka shwaka kundaye atikari n'urguto ngenda kugira nda urguto ngenda kushubura mandazi nifakine n'urguto ntunga kandi kisozi kuriyo munda akatebe ntunguka yona kisozi konka kariyo ubugege nyuni mburebo ubugege buri mbana tukora sekeja amashanyarazi gasha ngumshire nkagege harakari so mbone okusimuka okutanisa entunguka n'ubugege ubugega ubukamaka umushoga aho abantu beto babashoga bene ubwenge umushoga akagira ati akange kakiraka ife ngo akange ako muntu nakakira akatwena igingo tukora sine yatwe konka entangira bakitore ne yange hatu twagira mu government ingiri ibitwantu bishomesa abantu tutakagira tukiri abeji twaza kurwana na amini na roboti twaligira mu shaka twaza mu government ingiri twagito mu government umaka cyane tano nke toro Uganda yone nimbaga mbere ingireji nyabaramwe entasi yamaka muri cyo kugira umuriye bibi yatwena byonka mujike ibika yabo manifesto yekenda na mukaga twatamu abamataka gafunzire nabateramu ibintu mushanje hikemwe tamomwana hike kabiri tamwe bijuma hike kashatu tamwe ebinyatsi byente kurya hike kana tamwe ibikuriye byeka ekanyuma tayenkoko zamahuri utayempunu kura tara muslimu ninga banyankara baira bakabata kurya empunu ko impunu mu muzreho dero mazinga mutayibye nyanja ebiduba bibye nyanja hati abantu bengi mu Uganda bahurira ku habroko nemo murumo abanyabushozi indako basima abanyabushozi nakazo na semba buri muri nemo murumo mukamukire kari ukamu tumukomere kimwe njya kuchika konka yuma ikatabi konka haruna bandi abahuri ukabura kwetu katore basangwa wakamuri
Mzee Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge, Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. Ezo futi 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi kawuga bamwidukira katonda mu ekyumulo ekyemirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu bangi abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5 ai president yaida yatulungamya yakoba tubana abantu mwena mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukola emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byonna yabyogera nze napikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko n'atandika efaamu mu 2007 n'enkoko 5 sawa dino wendogerera ku faamu kuno tize mabega ntambwire president yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5,000 yasanuka ino sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko emitwalo 10 tufulumya amagi etro 2,000 buli lunaku etro 2,000 divamu milioni 2 buli lunaku omwezi diva milioni 6 omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze mukaaga n'ekitundu
ato mwamurra Basangwa bakano ngubakawana ba Rwanda akaramoka LC5 yakamuri nibeitana nko kumugana kwitana oburumo bwa kuna zayo nashanga na Rwanda akayero C5 nabagera tati makarumo kamwe kana ko muntu mubona mwene muri aba LC5 aweje mutakore ibindi murabagambira ingiri ngo bagambira hati nyabara munabagambira kuyana bagambira umwani biha ibinabane bagambira we hamwe zamahuri akate nitaka akali muri Kamuli town aina ka ploti ka futi 5 harigan no yatandikire nko mbona ataitu kugambira buri zoba nashoza trays zamahuri 12 buri zoba tashe milioni 20 buri zoba milioni 2 okwezi milioni 600 umwaka obumbe mushanju na milioni 200 hata kuno wa Kamuli katerego wa Karamoja
Dick Ogera. I am a model farmer in Abim district. My village here is called Arangetoi West. Arangetoi Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim district in Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the President through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings, and I planted all, and they're all doing well. Apart from this venture, I got money from PDM last year. I got 880,000. And I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats. And the goats are there. They have multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money of PDM I used for buying cassava stems. Through that money, I've managed to plant 2 acres of cassava. They are now doing well. The first acre I intend to harvest next year in January. Then for the mangoes, you are seeing, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in November, not September, November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Soroti Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling 1 at 500 shillings, 2 1,000. And people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes, trees you are seeing here, are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I call it wealth now. I always harvest. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank our President so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million next year, 2025. So altogether, I expect to get 36 million shillings. And this money, I will use for paying fees for my children.
Mahiro maganata no kuruga. Emiyembejo akajawa Operation Wealth Creation. Abasirikare abayone bagaba ibyabusha. Bagabiremo imyandi bagaba ki konka we kubaje muhire emiyembe yagifo. Furuhato kwa rukugamba. Buri mwaka nje kwa natunga milioni 3.6 kurgo miyembe yonko utotera mbiri ibindi byakora byembuzi bihe cyabitamu eyari tari okorasi entunguka nike konka tari obugaye imabakiruhura nakazo na nurukora ruente ninda kubibaza kutwabahabwira okutakorranira yonka korranishaho kurga kuri sente zo kusetera konka mukarisezo ezamate mwakikora konka ayo mwahika muzagire munonga nyina ngo muzagurikiho mugende mu mwejo kamboreke uko muzagire kamboreke umusheja aruserere rumwete yijara.
Hello, my name is Joseph Ijala. I'm the proprietor of Taifa Farm. which is located in Serere in a place called Kakusi, where we are. And in Taifa, we have dairy, poultry, and we're also making laundry bar soap. But we also have the value addition aspect of the farm, where we produce yogurt and pack it, tin it for the market. This project started 11 years ago after an inspiration from His Excellency, the President of Uganda, when he had come here and he was teaching people about the 4-acre model. He was having a rally in Soroti. At that time, I was working as a taxi driver. That master business in Soroti. So when I heard this, when I heard he was around, I crossed to go and listen to his story. And he was talking about a 4-acre model, how to improve household income. So when I came back, I was fired because I delayed there and the taxi came through. And the guy said, you go and eat those words that you had. But I had already this land, 2.5 acres, but I also had local chicken here. But after hearing that, I got inspired to put more effort on raising this chicken. So I raised the chicken to the tune of about 100 of them. Then I got a small incubator. That was about 4 eggs. So I used that incubator for multiplying my local chicken farm. Eventually I was having 500 local chicken around. I was very famous for local chicken. So but then local chicken were not answering my day-to-day needs. So I decided to translate it to layers. In Taifa farm we have 10,000 layers, which give me about 310 trays per day, and each tray goes at price of 10,500. So approximately about 3 million shillings a day from the eggs that we get. Of course, it varies depending on the cost of the feeding, but at least a half goes for management, a half goes to our pocket as Taifa. So after selling the layers, that money I invested it on dairy. I started dairy with the 4 cows, but you know I have multiplied very fast because I'm using AI. I have my own semen bank here, so I do artificial insemination, and then I also got a vet who was able to train some of us here with the veterinary knowledge. I think he's even here, that gentleman there, the vet. So the cows that I'm going to show you are cows that are bred from Taifa farm that produce, my highest produces 36 liters per day, and my lowest is at 20 right now, each cow. So 36, between 20 and 36 liters per day. And they all have names. I name them according to how I felt when I'm buying, when they are born. We name them according to relatives, aunties, friends. So this unit that you see here is the unit of my highest milkers. So these cows have mattresses. They eat and then they come and rest here. This is where they rest, and they will be licking the mineral blocks. And then when it comes time for milking, they go and take a shower. As you can see, there are showers there. The cow comes here and stands here. So after showering, they go and relax. They have music.
Hati jara akana avuga taxi Soroti ya horo injiri yanje ngunkazayo ningamba nkatu kungabo ngamba ugambira abantu ekazina ejo umuntu wetakefuzi kwa huri injiri yanje akaina hiki ibi nixtrek yagaruka mu cyaro yatandikira koko ubunaza yobo bakwata filmu ejo akaba natunda trays z'amahuri dushaka 10 buri zoba natase miliyoni 3 buri zoba konka banyuma kuyatunze enkoko ziri z'amahuri ya gurente yatandika netina agira hiki ibiri na electric mbono ubu nazayo akana nagemera lita 300 kunkato bundi gira yangiza tati nyiyongere hati nagemera lita 600 umuntezo amahurukana uge yongere mbona hati natunga 6 miliyoni n'imitwaro 8 buri zo ukurwo mahuri no mate kandi hatataje na factory yokora makamo n'ibindi bitwabyongera webi so mbona hati mabanya abo mu rukora mwebare urutando rumwateri kongefu y'abanyankore gata munonga tugebushe mbeho ameze no gateka gatabura ukigareka ukakigagarika gahora mbona ati mukahora abo kuba hari he nabatsigire ntumuri mukiri mwebare mukakoma imyanya cyutwanje bagambira kukoma no kujyombera ukwihamwe mtete ukwihamwe bugando ubundi negashe nayo konka ekinyose nimbagambira indisa yo kusetura neseri taka kuko bokozire umwanya ukozire ukwira umtete ukwira ubugando utere bikungu umusukira amahiremwe inte kuhagagire muri sente 300 nenyana nyekiro kandi cyo nikisera umwanya konko wakora nk'icyaha ijya ukusengera ubunyatsi zikarira mu cyuju hikemwe ni sente 8 z'ejo umwaka nawe cyo sukura ngahiwe yose kuri sente 10,000 no kushaga mara temu kubana mukorangu hikina ikitano murugaye mutunda rero muza kuzuma hamba harimo ubushemu itakere ni murusera mwege kuhinga ubunyati ibyo kusetura mbiryo mwaheza kweteka mukore nk'icya ijara icyakozera hari kandi wakatandika tindi ikintu cyo mwine bintu mwine mataka mwinente umuntu wahikena n'umugariga munonga naso kuri sente z'ejungu yeho hike mweyeka ninga hikibiri yeka ne yorutoke natsuza hikibiri natamu ente 8 nzenti 16 kambori nyakana wa foto murebe kwa ukwari
My name is Nyakana Richard from Rwengaju. This village is called Rwengaju village in Karabarole, Fort Portal City. And where we are here is my home and it's my farm. It is having 4 economic activities. Number 1, we are in zero grazing of dairy cows. Number 2, we are in poultry, majorly for layer birds. Number 3, we are in feed processing for livestock. And number 4, manure production. With the poultry, we have 8,500 chicken, and they are in a chick stage, grower, and layer. Those which are laying are giving us 120 trays of eggs, which we are selling at 12,000 shillings per tray. which gives us 1,440,000, and the cost of production is 1,140,000, which gives us a net balance of 300,000 per day as profit. With the feed pressing plant, every day we are processing 1,000 kilos or 1 ton of feeds. We are selling these feeds at 1,850 per kilo, and the cost of production is 1,700. So on every kilo we are making 150 shillings times 1,000 kilo. That is 150,000 shillings per day as net balance of profit from the feeds processing plant. For the dairy zero grazing section, we have got 8 cows. Out of these, 6 are mothers now. The 6 mothers are giving us 120 liters of milk every day. We are selling our liter of milk at 1,000 shillings farm gate price, and which gives us 110,000 shillings per day. And the cost of feeding them is 50,000 shillings per day. That leaves us with a balance of 60,000 shillings per day as net profit. These are 8 cows. The 2 cows are 8 cows.
Atumwenu mwareba Nyakana. Nyakana akaba nawe arkansela umukabarori district council n'umucyara we tunaze naga minjiri yanjye yo gwegara yagihura umuguruso ubu kanaga mbeshya kusitambira yatandika ene hikemwe n'ubucweka bibiri ati mbone wahurira ngo mahuri ukwiyaho izo gukora imirimo buri zoba nashazia imitwaro 3 ikikumanyisa 210 miliyoni 3 ukwezi miliyoni 9 profit yahize kwiyaho izo kozesa miliyoni 9 ukoze mu mwaka ni miliyoni 800 profit yahize kwiyaho izar kozesa hati bindi byakora tunatungaje konka matena gatunga nguru izoba nashazya imitwaro 6 ikikumanyisa yahize kwiho ibikuriye byente n'ibindi ikikumanyisa 210 yagira imitwaro 6 umwezi yagira miliyoni 1 na 1.8 umwaka ni miliyoni 20 hata nkoko namate natunga miliyoni 120 profit kwihaho ibyo kozesa konka nakora n'ibikuriye byente akafama kandi maniwa amasha nagone business nagateke agahemuga siyo kuteka deraga shaga agahemo urwezo aruguza abantu na yino business yaho so mbona hati imaba abumurukora mwina mataka mahango munonga aguma atungire nabo kinimba shaba mugakozese hato bona abantu kuriya kazo bangambira kazubo nanya kindu kumanya akakoko akari umwitaka akari kwitente umujungu bakata clostridia kaitente kaitserveza njiksozi kunkana nafukana nakona kekar kaine nintangaro kupurra muriyaho mushobeirwe tumwine baveta vetara veti waha nakora araho ningataro ataka ukwaka abuko wakazoya kanga kuno yakariyo wakazoya kanga mbere ko kana ngira ko tana mugarikamu mbona kagukaka icyo kubanza kaine kikatu cyo kutsirika imuri nyankoro kabare mato ngunu kugema ati ngamba urumyo tuketo ukutsirika kaina tuinumba zukutsirika ubako eta brand trucks ngeno kwatara naka kokako ukakwatara na koto umbazo kutsirika koto nuguru kutsirika naka kokako kandi ne kwatanse chikatu cha koto anthrax amanaka kokako akokweta mujungu black leg kandi umhando wa kabiri nikaraguru penicillin ne tamba ya rwe nabo chako kwa tukashimye kubana kaitamasyo veterinary wakazo inza kugamba bamwete bambuze abo inchaka kokoro kaite ente abantu bakashoberwa kandi ebyo kutamba biro hati ebi byona nitafari ya kashatu ila muri kutaha Uganda obugayiga bwamaka tafari yo kubanza obusingi ya kabiri ntunguke ya kashatu obugayiga bwamaka hata ino abanagama mayino wahaninga no wakazo yagira ngo hata abantu basimukire abayino bakorenda yonka ubunatandikana operation with creation imyaka 2013 bakabali abantu nkagana munana harigana bona bakana bakorenda yonka mu Uganda ko kutwateremo operation with creation twatamat PDM ngati abakorenda yonka muri 30 harigana makumushanju batangire kugira entasi umushaho bweni nyana umwana msimuke muri ryo mukoro ubukafwiri bokorenda yonka mutakorera ntazi deri safari ya kashatu mutkwatsa ukurahamza kimwahanju ya NRM ecyamuheru itafari ya muheru nikwenda gamba matafani mushanju kongati ningamba hali yanago nkabo bwire kunazo press conference njagamba gone naza kuhendera umurumukori hati itafari ya kana nemirmo echo nacho tabara abantu bagenda bazongorekana emirmo neshangwa kambori kemirmo yakushanga mtore cyo basanzwe turebe
iso omulanga gwa president okuva ku kiseera ekyo twakati kati kigiire president abaire musanufino ku bintu byenkoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako wendogera kati tulina abakozi 300 betukozesa wano ku farm tuwezaawo 10 aye business daife yeditambulira kubanga amagi twagaidirawo outlet sinning mu Uganda so yona eri abakozi
keep that there hati basango mama muhuriri akari omoro rukuno barwanda karumuka RC5 nimenda kwitana kuna abahabura yazo mahuri hati numugeiga mahuri ubwega ko kandi ubwega wabasangwa duzeire mirimo maganashatu y'abanyarwanda bandi katurebe ubuno bwega ubuzaremo katurebe factory freeze there hati jatawne mukureba tawne agency mtaonesha reina mbale mama tana agumbe mu manyo Uganda na Afrika ko bagojiji amaduka agokiro wingi notuduka uturukutu town zirimo tuduka uturukutu ndotuntu ihuzi bibiriti manye utwenda biha bibutura kuri wetu ntungamo akari amaduka nagabahindi nabirga baharabu umuduka yabudara akana nakora abantu babiri Rwabukutra na John wicharanga basi umuduka niyo tauniti ya Ntungamo mbona hata amatawa n'amashyaka NRM n'amatawuni ageye factory amakorero mbona iyo tawuni ya Mbale irimo amakorero makumu shanjunata ni sheyo n'izindegera ku bishya tarum cya UPC tarum cya UPC katahe umukorero n'umuterere n'umuru Freza hatu murebe namba y'abana abakukora mu factory etawuni y'amakorero nekozesaba abana umutwaro gumwe n'enkumi ibiri igiyo nkejo nkajombe ko mu itakari naguzire n'abagisu narihereza batama amakorero katurebe n'amamve namamve irimo amakorero magana abiri makumu shanju na ashatu bakozesa abantu ntware na n'enkumina namamve tukayita ikibera cya kartuti yamini yaba anagemerambwe nobuti hati nama nitawe y'amakorero so mbona hati aho ni nango ikintu cyaba inane mwena mu kisimu cyemu imirimo neregaye ubujya wemera mu government n'eshole yes government ni motormo imirimo ya government imirimo ntwara na mnana 480,000 konga turi abantu miliyoni 50 abo nubije kumara imirimo ya government n'utukwa gestinga imirimo iyo mbwije no burisa ubukora sente imirimo iri mu makorero imirimo iri mu mahoteli imirimo iri mu za company za transport ni imirimo mingi eri kandi ko kibo mu zone zitungukye ati kindi kingana mu mwege n'abantu okutunga imyoga abajungu babeje batakaize akatabaho unemployment umunyankore kitaro kugira ngo abantu bene imirimo buri muntu wena akabaye n'umwuga wo kuhinga wo kurisa wo kuhesha wo kunogora wo kubeja wo kutanaga wo gukora ibitoma ikiba kweta okukomaga buri muntu akaye n'umwuga mbona ati iginkore yo kujya gushanga umuntu unahandika koga nahandika administration ubutegeki ati ubutegeki abantu byaba bategeki bangaye umurukano ubugomborano